Hey guys, my name is Wen and welcome to my channel. Chinese New Year is around the corner and today I would like to share with you on how I make YUSHEng. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. First, prepare some pears, beetroots, salmon slice, salad, baby plum tomatoes, plum sauce, carrots, seaweeds, and last but not least, some raisins and peanuts for decoration. So check it out and let's get started. First, prepare a peeler and start peeling the skin of the pears and the carrots. After slicing off the skin of the carrots and pear, use a knife to cut off the top part and the bottom part of the carrots. After that, use a cutter slice to slice the carrot and the pear. When slicing the carrot using the cutter, make sure that you do not hurt your fingers. Repeat the same process for the second carrot. Now is the time to use the cutter to slice the pear. The surface of the pear is very slippery, so make sure that when you are slicing the pear, be more cautious. Repeat the same process for the second pear. Here are the outcome after slicing the pear. Next, we will need to cut the baby plum tomatoes into half. After cutting the baby plum tomato, put them into a small bowl for later use. Next, in this recipe, we will be using 1 beetroot. Cut the beetroot into small size. After cutting the beetroot into small pieces, place them into a bowl for later use. So far, we have prepared our carrots, pears, baby plum tomatoes, and beetroots. First, we will need to prepare a large plate and later put the salad on top of the plate to cover the surface. Make sure that the salad are covering the plates. When the plate is fully covered with salad, place the pear on top of it and make a shape of a rabbit. As you can see, the pear looks a little bit soggy. This is because I did not use a kitchen towel to dry the pear. After using the pear to create an image of a rabbit, decorate the rabbit's ear using carrots. I used the sliced beetroots to make the rabbit nose. Oops! Before I forget, I need to cut 2 circles to make the rabbit eyes. Now use the seaweed and cut into 2 circles for the rabbit eyes. After that, cut the seaweed again into 6 straight lines for the rabbit mustache. After cutting, place them onto the image. Last but not least, I use a raisin to mix the rabbit mouth. Now decorate the plate using small plum tomato. In Chinese, fish symbolize wealth, so I place the smoked salmon on the tomatoes as further decoration. To avoid the salmon being wasted, I decided to put the salmon as further decoration with seaweed. Finally, use the plum sauce to enhance the flavor. And now YUSHENG, this salad dish is ready to eat. Hope that you like this recipe and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you soon.